Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Mini Mystery Box of Awesome. This is $10 a month for the subscription and it's completely random. So you get a bunch of mystery items. Normally there's like 3, 4, just depends. And I think I see Justin Bieber. Oh, like I said, completely random. So inside here you always get like a word search and some little brain teasers, and this is the November 2019 bag. And there's an advertisement for Pet Treater and a promo code there. So let's take a look at this since it's right on top. We got a Justin Bieber Christmas stocking. That is hilarious. It's nice and soft. I should swap out Jackson's and put that up there to see what he says on Christmas. And it says it retails for $12.99. Santa stocking. How funny. And the other item I'm seeing here are some gloves. Warm Sport, -30 degrees. That's kind of cool. Maybe if you live somewhere where you can snowboard or ski. The pocket's pretty big. Put your car key or something in there if you don't want to bring anything else in your pocket. That's a good idea. There's grips on there. Pocket on both of the gloves. And it's lined with fleece. So they normally give you stuff that's like really useful like this and flashlights and stuff like that. So I like this subscription a lot. And the last item, it's a Polaroid gift bag, and there's a couple of them. There's 4 of them. So the past couple subscriptions we have gotten some Polaroid items, like a picture frame, some little photo cubes to hold them in, and like who doesn't love pictures? This is kind of funny. It's a gift bag. That would make a good, like, white elephant gift bag. Those are kind of cute. And it says Polaroid photo bar. So that is what I got for the month of November. Like I said, completely random, always fun. And if you guys are interested, I will put the link below that you can order your own. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.